Welcome, my dear students. Today's subject is maths. In maths, we are going to learn chapter number 12, multiplication. So, let's get started. So, first we are going to see multiplication of tens. To multiply a number by 10, we just need to put 0 after it. For example, 20 multiplied by 3. So, we can multiply 2 and 3 and place a 0 after it. So, the product is 60. Similarly, 80 multiplied by 3. So, we can multiply 8 and 3 and place a 0 after it. So, the product is 240. If there is a 0 in units place of both numbers, then multiply the digit in their tens place and write two zeros after the product. Now let's see example. 30 multiplied by 20. So first we will carry out 3 multiplied by 2 and then write two zeros after their product. So the product will be 600. Similarly, for 40 multiplied by 20, so first carry out 4 multiplied by 2 and then place two zeros after the product. So the answer will be 4 2s are 8 and two zeros means 800. Now let's see lattice method in multiplication. So first question, solve 42 multiplied by 3. So as you can see, 42 is two-digit number. How to do multiplication then? Yes, I will tell you a trick for doing this multiplication. We shall split 42 into two convenient parts. So 42 is equal to 40 plus 2. In short, we can write expanded form of 42, that is 40 plus 2. After expansion, as you can see in the picture, we will draw the columns for solving sum. Now let's arrange the numbers properly in proper columns. 40 in one column, 2 in another and multiplied by 3 in another column. So let's start multiplication now. 3 multiplied by 40. As we have learnt earlier, 3 multiplied by 4 is 12 and place a 0 after it. Move on to the next one. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. Now let's arrange them in addition column. 120 plus 6. So answer is 126. Therefore, 42 multiplied by 3 is 126. Move on to the next one. 51 multiplied by 6. So two-digit number. We will expand 51, that is 50 plus 1. Now arrange the numbers properly in proper columns. 50 and 1 multiplied by 6. Let's start multiplication. As you can see, 50 is having 0. So we will multiply 6 by 5. So 6 5s are 30 and place a 0 after it, that is 300. 6 multiplied by 1 is 6. Now arrange them in addition column. 300 plus 6 is 306. Therefore, 51 multiplied by 6 is 306. Let's see next one. 73 multiplied by 5. As 73 is two-digit number, we will expand it, that is 70 plus 3. Arrange the numbers properly in proper columns. 73 multiplied by 5. So let's start multiplication. 7 5s are 35, place a 0 after it. 5 3s are 15. For addition, arrange the numbers in the columns. 350 plus 15. Start from units place. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6 and 3 as it is. Therefore, 73 multiplied by 5 is 365. Let's see next one. 39 multiplied by 8. Again 39 is two-digit number. We will expand it. So 39 is equal to 30 plus 9. Arrange the numbers and start multiplication. 8 multiplied by 30. So 8 3s are 24 and place a 0 after it. 8 9s are 72. Now arrange the numbers in addition column. 240 plus 72. Starting from units place, 0 plus 2 is 2, 4 plus 7 is 11 and 2 plus 1 is 3. Therefore, 39 multiplied by 8 is 312. Now, let's see multiplication in vertical arrangement. 42 multiplied by 2. Draw the column properly, writing units and tens. Starting from units place. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4 and 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. Therefore, 42 multiplied by 2 is 84. Let's see next one. 24 multiplied by 2. Again, we will draw the columns, units, tens, arrange numbers properly in proper place and start with multiplication. We are going to start from units place. So 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. Therefore, 24 multiplied by 2 is 48. Let's move on to the next one. 22 multiplied by 4. Arrange numbers properly in the columns and start from units place. So 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. Again 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. Therefore, 22 multiplied by 4 is 88. Let's move on further. 31 multiplied by 3. Draw the columns, write the numbers properly in proper places and start from units place. 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. So therefore 31 multiplied by 3 is 93. Multiply 89 by 6 using lattice method and carrying over method. So let's start with this sum. We are going to solve it by using lattice method and then by carrying over method, which means vertical arrangement method. As 89 is two-digit number, first we will expand it. That is 89 is equal to 80 plus 9. Now arrange the numbers in the column. 80 and 9 multiplied by 6. 6 multiplied by 80. 6 8s are 48 and place a 0 after it. Move on to the next column. 6 9s are 54. Now arrange them for addition. 480 plus 54. So starting from units place, 0 plus 4 is 4. 8 plus 5 is 13. 3 we will write below and 1 will carry over. 4 plus 1 is 5. Therefore, 89 multiplied by 9 is 534. Now, let's solve it by carrying over method, which means vertical arrangement method. We'll draw the columns and we'll arrange the numbers. 89 multiplied by 6. So let's start from the units place. 6 9s are 54. 4 will write below and 5 will be carried over. 6 8s are 48 plus 5 is 53. Therefore, 89 multiplied by 6 is 534. Next one. Multiply 77 by 8 using lattice method and carrying over method. Again we have to solve this sum by using both the method, lattice method also and carrying over method also. So let's start with lattice method. 77 is two-digit number, so we will first expand 77, that is 70 plus 7. Arrange the numbers in the columns. 77 multiplied by 8. So 8 multiplied by 70. 8 7s are 56. Place a 0 after it. Again 8 7s are 56. Now arrange the numbers for addition. 560 plus 56. Starting from units place. 0 plus 6 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. 1 we will write below and 1 we will carry over. 5 plus 1 is 6. Therefore, 77 multiplied by 8 is 660. Now, let's move further. Carrying over method. 77 multiplied by 8. Draw the columns. Arrange the numbers properly in the proper columns and start from the units place. 8 sevens are 56. 6 we will write below and 5 we will carry over. 8 sevens are again 56. 56 plus 5 is 61. Therefore, 77 multiplied by 8 is 616. Let's see word problems. So, our first example, 25 children in a row, how many in 7 rows? So, we are going to solve this sum by vertical arrangement. Draw the columns, write the numbers properly in proper places. Now, what is 25? Children in one row. 7 is number of rows. Now, we'll start multiplication. Starting from units place, 7 multiplied by 5 is 35. 5 we will write below and 3 we will carry over. 7 twos are 14. 14 plus 3 is 17. So 175 is number of children. Therefore, there are total of 175 children in 7 rows. Let's see next one. How much will 6 towel cost at 53 rupees a towel? Again, we are going to solve it by vertical arrangement. We are going to draw the columns and start solving the sum. So, cost of towel is 53. Number of towels are 6. Now, let us multiply. Start from units place. 6 threes are 18. 8 we will write below. 1 we will carry over. 6 fives are 30. 30 plus 1 is 31. So, number of children is 318. Therefore, the total cost of 6 towels is rupees 318. Let's see next one. Shreya has 16 toys. Each toy cost rupees 8. Find the total cost. Again, we are going to use vertical arrangement. Draw the columns, write the numbers in proper places. So, number of toys are 16. Cost of toys is rupees 8. Now, let's start multiplication. 6 8s are 48. 8 we will write below and 4 we will carry over. 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. So, what 128 is total cost of toys. Therefore, the total cost of 16 toys is rupees 128.